Let's make some Caribbean turkey wings. So this is turkey wings. I just chop them up. You know how the turkey wings come already, something looking like this. So I cut up what I want to cut up in it. I like this part, so I leave it like this for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some white vinegar and I'm going to throw it all over it like that. I'm going to rub it in and I'm going to wash it, and then I'm going to season it up. Okay, so I'm using some complete season, some all-purpose season, some allspice, some black pepper, some red pepper flakes, and some browning. I'm just massaging the season. You know I like to massage the season inside my meat, so each part of the turkey can be coated with the season, and you will see if your meat need more season. So right now, as you can see, I need a little bit more browning. I don't want it too dark and I don't want it too white, so I want it in between. And I'm going to set this aside for half an hour for the season to soak inside it. You can do it overnight, put a plastic wrap over it and leave it for the other day so the season can marinate inside the turkey wing and it can absorb all that goodness inside it. So I'm just going to set it aside, cover it up, set it aside and leave it for half an hour so the season can soak inside it, and then I will show you how I do it. As you can see, I'm just going to add some vegetable oil to the pot. We've got to eat some thyme, and I'm going to add my turkey wings. In the pot, and I'm going to constantly turn it every minute. Beautiful it looks. You see that? I just keep on to stir it. See? Yeah. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some garlic, some fresh garlic to the pot. about this amount. Just add all inside it. I'm going to add some water. It is about a cup of water to it. And I'm going to cover it and I'm going to leave it to take its time to cook slowly, little by little. I will show you the process, each step I go. Just going to cover it and leave it now. So as you can see, I just transfer the pot that it was in and put it over here in this pot. So I cut up in this plate, I cut up some carrot, some Irish potato, some white onion, some thyme, some scallion, and I'm just going to add them to the pot with the turkey so it can stew down. You know, get all those delicious seasoning inside it, because you want it to taste good, right? Very good, Shackema. Very good. Stewed turkey neck, the Caribbean way. You should smell all this flavor of the season that I already put inside it. Remember, I put the garlic in it already when I was cooking it down. So now I'm just going to cover this and leave it, but before I cover it, I'm going to add a little bit of my ketchup menace to it, just a little. You don't want it to overpower it. And I'm just going to cover it down and leave it to simmer and do its thing. So as you can see, you see how lovely that turkey wing look. So I just go back inside my fridge and I forget I didn't put no green peppers inside, green pepper bells. You can put green pepper bell, you can put red pepper bell, which one ever you have at home at hand, you can add it. So I just wash it, slice it up, and I'm just going to add it to the pot. So it can cook down in the sauce with everything. Are you excited, you see?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to cover it and leave it for the next 10 minutes before I turn off the heat. So okay guys, as you can see, it's finished to cook. It's finished. My turkey wing is finished, so I'm just going to plate me up some. I'm so hungry. Remember I tell you I like this part? Yes, so I'm going to put it inside it. You know? Just like that. Look at that deliciousness. Look at that. And I'm going to eat it with some cabbage and carrot. A little bit of cabbage and carrot. Like that. Yeah.
Mommy?
Yes, sweetie?
I'm
Okay, so my stewed turkey wings is finished. So right now I'm going to eat some food. Look at that, guys. Look at that beauty. Yeah, that's how we roll inside Shackema at Home Kitchen. Hope you like this video, share this video, tell a friend about us, subscribe to our channel, and remember to put God first in everything you do.